Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to do a complete hardware test in Samsung smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application name as Samsung Members. Just search this application and just tap on install to install this application. So wait for a few seconds until the complete installation is done. So once the installation is done, just tap on open, just tap on allow, click on later. So now you can see an option above diagnostics, right? So just tap on it. Now you will see all the hardware options that you can test. So you can see from the beginning, from the left top, NFC, SIM card, SD card, power restart status, tons of options. So all the hardware options. So say let us check the last option, that is the battery status. So just tap on it. So you can see here my battery status for my Samsung smartphone is in good condition and the capacity is 4500 milliampere. So it's showing exactly correct. So you can do the rest hardware test by yourself. Say let us check the touchscreen. So you can see here it's clearly showing some instructions. Swipe across the squares until they are all change color. So you can just do a hardware test whether your hardware is working perfectly or not. So that means my touchscreen is also in normal state. So you can do the rest hardware test one by one also, or you can just continue testing all at once here if you want to test all at once here all the time. So using this application, that is a Samsung Members, which is exclusively available only for the Samsung smartphones or tablets, you can easily do a complete hardware test in Samsung smartphones or tablets. So if you never known about these cool tricks on how to do a complete hardware test in Samsung smartphones or tablets, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.